Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are keeping safe and healthy and you're taking all the important precautions during this pandemic. My name is Abha and today I'm here to share a story with all of you. The name of the story is Unity is Strength. So once upon a time there was an old man and he worked really hard. He had earned a lot of money. He had 4 sons. But his children were not very good with each other. They always ended up quarreling. If the father gifted them some sweets, they never had them equally, but always had arguments regarding who would get the larger portion. The father was really upset and worried with this behavior of his children, and he didn't know what to do. With time, his age was actually becoming more and more. And then after a few months, he got really sick. The doctor had suggested him to do bed rest. The atmosphere of the house was sorrowful. And then one day, he called all the sons in his room. There was a bundle of sticks that was kept on the table. He asked his sons to break the bundle of sticks and see who could do it at once. It was actually a challenge that was given to the sons. The eldest son came forward. He was quite strong and had a muscular body. He was very confident that he would easily break the sticks. And then he picked up the bundle of sticks. Though he tried his best, but nothing happened to the sticks. They were as it is. He tried one more time. Still, there was no result. It was a turn of the second son, and then the third. The youngest son was observing them very keenly. When he came forward, he picked up the bundle and opened it. And then, one by one, he broke all the sticks. He smiled and he thought that he was the most wisest of them all. Indeed, yes. The elder 3 brothers were astonished. The father made all the 4 sons sit down and told them, "Did you see? When you all tried to break the sticks all together, it was near to impossible. And it was a very difficult task too. But if you open the bundle and break one stick at a time, it becomes very easy. In the same way, I would like to share with you all that you 4 brothers have to stick and stay together. And as long as you all stay together, no one and nothing can break you all. But if you all argue amongst each other, then it will be very difficult for you to stay together as a family. My time is near and I would not want my family to break into 4 different parts. So please promise me that you all will stay together no matter what and help each other in happy and difficult times." The sons understood what the father told them. And then after a few days he passed away. But the lesson of the bundle of sticks stayed with them all their lives. My dear students, this story actually tells us how important unity is. In case you are preparing or participating in a competition, you have a team with which you work, or you have a group of friends, family, or relatives it is very important how well you carry out your relations, be it professional or personal, and how well you actually handle situations like crisis and problems. So I would really personally suggest all of you to always carry out your relations in a group properly and wisely. Because when you are in a group, it is much more stronger than an individual person working all alone. Thank you so much.